Have you ever wondered why bigger isn't always better? Let's explore the point where expansion actually starts to hurt a company's efficiency. Diseconomies of scale occur when a business grows so large that the cost per unit of production starts to rise instead of falling. Every business has an optimal size. Once you grow past that peak, you hit a point of diminishing returns. This usually happens because of internal friction. As teams grow, communication slows down and the company culture can start to fray. While economies of scale are about gaining efficiency through size, diseconomies are about losing that efficiency to complexity. Notice the dip in the middle. The cost per unit drops as you scale up, but then creeps back up as the organization becomes too cumbersome. Remember, the goal isn't just to be the biggest company in the room, but the most efficient one. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, save it for your next study session and subscribe for more finance basics.